Yeah. Thank you very much. Hey, look right is back. He knew he'd be back. He'd be back.
I'll be back. I'll be back. I'll be right back. I'll be back. I'll be back. I'll be back.
So what you're going to learn today is how to remove the rear wheel from your classic BMW R NineT Racer. Classic superbike, classic race bike. Install the rear wheel of your BMW R NineT Racer. Classic superbike, classic race bike. Let's drink the coffee! Brilliant. Yeah.
It's showtime.
So I'ma light it up just like a cigarette smoke till it's in my head, take it all away. Yeah, I'ma light it up just like a cigarette smoke till it's in my head, take the pain away. Let it burn, let it burn, let it burn.
We're using a long extension so that as the torque bolts are undone, the rear wheel, the ratchet is not whacking into the titanium acrylic system. Put the rear wheel onto, say, a cover like this, just to make it feel nice and safe, that the paint on the wheel is not being scratched onto the floor, anything like that. Yeah, the only thing holding the R NineT in is this paddock stand. BMW forums recommend that we clean the threads on the bolts with like WD-40. Take some like kitchen paper, lie the bolts down, WD-40 over the threads. Something like this where you just break. Thank you.
So I'ma light it up just like a cigarette smoke till it's in my head, take it all away. Yeah, I'ma light it up just like a cigarette smoke till it's in my head, take the pain away.
keen on using power tools, lines, tools on these aluminium hubs. BMW have recommended no tighter than 60 Newton meters because the hubs crack. We're using a star shape and tightening up the bolts just to pull the wheel onto the hub evenly. And then I make sure that the bit is inserted into the bolt fully before I put pressure on. When you hear the torque wrench click, don't go any further because you're done. No. All bolts accounted for. Yay!
So yeah, thanks for watching everybody. Luke Rides, wasn't it interesting? There was a lot involved, and as well, getting the alignment of the rear wheel correct. Really, really important. You have to get it correct. You've got to use that starch pattern when you're reinstalling the rear wheel to make sure. The idea is that when you're doing that, you're helping the bolts tighten the rear wheel to the hub in an even distribution of force. So the idea is that the mating surface is nice and flat and it's coming closer, and it's staying nice and flat and it's coming closer, stay nice and flat, and then it's a flat finish, flush finish between the two. If you start tightening one bolt really, really tight, what could happen, the theory is that the rear wheel is going to get tight, but it's going to be at an angle. And there's going to be an angle, there's going to be an angle, and then it's going to meet the hub, and it'll be at an angle. That's bad. You need the rear wheel to be aligned and dead straight. So remember that for your classic BMW R NineT Racer, classic race bike. So yeah, thanks for watching.
The way we...
The little rascal has spirit. As was it?
This is the end of the trail for me.
Thank you.
Thank you, kid.
From start to finish, I'm going to make smaller videos dedicated to just removing the rear wheel and reinstalling the rear wheel for your R NineT Racer. That's it.